Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now type c: and hit enter. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command cd space c: /. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c: /bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now type cd space c: / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c: -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type ren space c: /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.